and most possible. So the day number 2 of JavaScript series. So this is the day number 2 of the JavaScript series. In this series we are going to learn the next chapter of the JavaScript. Let's start out. So the chapter is going to be little bit different. I will tell you and explain you what will be the chapter. So the chapter is going to be simply the shortest chapter. You can say any word you can say. That's the chapter. The chapter is the chapter is operator and operand. Operators are plus, minus, divide and multiply. And I want to tell you operand equal to what? Operand equal to. Operand equal to. This is. So I will tell you in short form. You can say that are assignments. Assignment equal to operators and operand. If I show you, I will write here what? I will make here an variable. Let a equal to 12. And then if I console my page, if I log my page, first I have to finish this like this. Now I am going to call what? I am going to console log. I will log it first. Log done. And a plus a. Then save it. Come here. In your live server, you will write here the menu button and then inspect. Enter here and then to the console. Wait, ESC here first. Save it. Come here. Wait. That's showing us something. Okay. I will close my page. Here F11 back. And I am going to F11 this page too. And save it here. Come here. In your live server, refresh it and go to the inspect page. Wait, first you have to reload the page and then first you load it. As you can see, it's reloading. I will go live again. Yes, we have to go live again. Now as you can see, my page is go live and that is going to show me the answer. A plus a equal to 24. To the index.html, I will call my menu button, inspect button, and then go to the console. But a will be not because there is now. Close it, refresh it. Menu button, click to the menu button, go to the inspect to console you will here see 24. If I give you a small example, I will write a plus a 24, a minus a plus a, and you will see here 12. If I call here what? B equal to 12. And then a plus b 24. How? If I call like 12 minus a plus 2 minus b, there will be minus. How? Because I had made an error. One more thing you will see. What is that thing? I will show you after that. That are the operator and operand. But there is one more thing. The operand assignment. Operand assignment is OA equal to, that is an equal. Simple. That are the operator and operands. Next I will use a chapter that is going to be string. String equal to single columns or double columns, double inverted commas. If I make it let A equal to my name is Subhan, and wait, I will do B. Now I will make here one more line. Let C equal to I am 11, no, 12 years old. Then I will call out, there is one more function, document.getElement by the ID. Save it, come here. You will see here menu, go to the inspect, and you have to go here to the console. There is showing nothing now. Now what I am going to do, I will write here document. If I write here document, you will say my whole page is blue. It's selected. So document equal to the whole page. Dot get element by ID. That's one more function. I will close it. Wait a second. Now F11. Come here. You will see here what you have to come in your index.html here. P-A. Come here, wait. Come here, okay. If I call here menu button, inspect. Wait, go to the console. Here, if I call what, I am going to call document. Dot get element by the ID. ID will be A, okay. Then dot inner HTML equal to what? B. And my name is Subhan. If I call it A plus B using operands, it will be 12. Come here, write here not A plus B. B plus C, right? Okay, my name is first one. Now I am here. If I call here one more thing, that is what I will say after this one. I can write here one more thing. Word. Not here. Close it. I will come in the a.js. I am here. Now I am going to call here one more thing that will be like you can say the length. If I write here what? Console.log document. Let's get element by the ID. It will be the ID A. Dot inner HTML equal to, there will be the semicolon. There will be this. Wait. Document. Get element by the ID. That will be the ID A dot inner HTML equal to what? B dot length. Wait. I log video length. Go to the Scrub page. Come here at the console. There is 70. How I can show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wait, not now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wait, what is showing us? 70. Okay. After 15, there are these columns 16 and 17. That's how it's showing us. Now I will come here. I am here. Now I will show you the one more chapter that is fantastic, you can say. No, I will show you the chapter in next video. But I want to tell you one more thing, that is what is simply const. Many people don't know the difference of variables. There are many variables. You can say there are 3 variables, 4 variables, but we are discussing now 3 variables that are var, let and const. So I have to say you that I am going to call let could be changed, var can be changed, but const is thing that cannot be changed, that exists but cannot be changed. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my new content. So take care and Allah Hafiz.